Alright, today we got a 93 2500 Chevy with the notorious busted outside door handle, which still works, but we're going to change it up. And we're going to change the inside door handle also. So we got the little clip off the handle. We pulled our little extension piece out of here for the thing. Got two Phillips down here in the inside. We'll pull this panel off. And note to yourself, you got some pretty hefty Christmas trees there it's holding it. You got to get the screwdriver and pry it off on this panel. So now we got, I don't know, half a dozen or so 7mm and 110 here on the bottom. The rest of them is going to be 7s all the way around. We'll get them out. We got a little, I forgot to show you the little snap ring that goes on this door handle here. Just get you a pick, like so. Reach around the back side and pull it up. Alright, so we got these two out. I'll show you when I get them out. It goes to the door handle and the inside, which is already broke, so like so. So they just snap in, little snaps on the bottom. So we can get all those screws loose. Pop these little rods. See, these little rods snap in these little plastic guides. And there's one here also here too. Just want to try it out. Make sure these are straight clear. This is a crate window, so we're going to slide some guides down there out of the track of the window. Well, I forgot to film that we got these two little, I guess they're 10mm bolts that bolt inside the door here. One there on the inside and one here on the outside for the door handle. And you got a rod. You're supposed to have two rods, but I only got one, so see if we can find that rod. The other one, the short one, works the door lock from the outside. Well, it looks like we're going to finish this up. Once we get it back together, just showing you a quick way of this door coming apart. Regulator and door handle. So, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. 99 GMC 2500 Classic.